I took one square sheet from the stack by the sink, folded it in half and folded it again. Crease by crease I made 2 ears and a grin, little tail tucked tight, ready to spring. Thumb on the belly, count me in, press that spine, let the bounce begin. One more fold, now look at that face, hold your breath, give it space. Jump little paper cat, jump little paper cat, land on your feet like that. Jump little paper cat, hop from my palm to the table, hop from my palm to the lap. Jump little paper cat, jump little paper cat. I turned the corners in, made the paws fold clean, tiny paper whiskers, sharp as a dream. You lean, then you launch, when I tap your back, a pocket-sized tiger in a notebook trap. Thumb on the belly, count me in, press that spine, let the bounce begin. One more fold, now look at that face, hold your breath, give it space. Jump little paper cat, jump little paper cat, land on your feet like that. Jump little paper cat, hop from my palm to the table, hop from my palm to the lap. Jump little paper cat, jump little paper cat. If you wobble, I catch you, if you tear, I patch. One last crease and you snap right back. Soft little guardian, all claws and charm, a jumping cat made safe in my hands. Jump little paper cat, jump little paper cat, land on your feet like that. Jump little paper cat, hop from my palm to the table, hop from my palm to the lap. Jump little paper cat, 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 jump little paper cat. Take a square from the notebook stack, smooth a little corner flat, fold the top and crease it clean, make 2 ears where points have been. Pinch the nose and tuck the tail, press each fold along the scale, hold it gently, count to 4, set it down beside the floor. Jumping cat, paper cat, bend your paws and spring like that, tap your whiskers, flick your tail, tiny tiger made of mail. Jumping cat, paper cat, landing softly on the mat, fold by fold and flap by flap, you leap right out of my notebook map. Draw 2 eyes with a purple pen, add a grin and count again. Thumb beneath the folded chest, press the back and watch the test. One small nudge and then surprise, up it hops before my eyes. Grandpa laughs beside the chair, now the cat is everywhere. Jumping cat, paper cat, bend your paws and spring like that, tap your whiskers, flick your tail, tiny tiger made of mail. Jumping cat, paper cat, landing softly on the mat, fold by fold and flap by flap, you leap right out of my notebook map. If it tumbles, start once more, choose a brighter sheet from the drawer.